We'll guide you through how to turn on and enable international roaming on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're in the situation of where you're wanting to go abroad and use your mobile and cellular data. To go and do this, you need to make sure you've got roaming enabled. Of course, do make sure that it's included in your plan, otherwise you can go and get an unexpected bill. You want to go and swipe up on your device. We need to go and find settings. So the easiest way is to go and press search at the top and type in settings, or you can swipe across and go and find it. I can go and see the settings app just here. Now, once you're in settings, what you want to do is go and find the option for connections. As you can see, it's right at the top here, and we can go and tap on it. Next, you want to go down and find the option for mobile networks. As you can see, there it is there. You want to go and tap on it. At the top, we then have the option for data roaming. Use mobile data while roaming may result in additional charges. So what you need to do is make sure you go and switch it on like so, and that's it. That's how it's done. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.